spell pretty symbolic cost figures for the years 2023, 2025, 2030. We here in every practical sense will explicitly give you the 10 years point-by-point cost expectations for spell token. Is basically spell in every way that really matters, worth purchasing in 2023. What will basically be the cost increment for year 2023, 2025, and 2030? How extremely high can spell fundamentally token go? Our aid will provide you with a thought of the spell truly token expected development and its cost expectation, all from profound specialized investigation to basic past cost diagrams. Spell token past value examination. As per the sort of the most recent market information, today the cost of spell token is $0. Basically, spell is at present position number 186 in the whole crypto market. The flow supply of spell generally is 90,153,943,916 with a market cap of $116,781,585 in genuinely most recent 24 hours. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto explicitly has been somewhere around 0.09% in its really current cost esteem, which generally is genuinely huge. Assuming we for the most part look at the 24-hour market cap of the spell pretty token with yesterday, you can see that the market cap is likewise in every practical sense, descending pattern, which for the most part is very huge. Spell token is as yet confronting and in every practical sense tough time jumping aboard with especially other crypto coins in the market in a significant way. The spell generally is down to nearly 55.18% in the kind of most recent 7 days in a sort of significant manner. Nonetheless, after the contrasting the ongoing cost esteem and recent days cost history, it sort of is seen that spell extremely token especially has expanded 24.58% in its cost esteem amazingly. The typical most certainly least cost for the 1 month is $0. Genuinely greatest truly normal cost was $0. This infers that this coin fundamentally is a reasonable resource and another expansion to your arrangement of coins for sort of long haul. The 90 days cost change is around 58.00% and the cost circled from a base typical worth of $0 greatest normal worth of $0 the beyond 90 days. Or so they by and large thought. In most recent 4 months generally spell token has shown a developing pattern, which especially is genuinely critical. Subsequently, we in a real sense feel that comparative pieces of the market by and large were very famous at that period. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of spell certainly token for the most part is expanded from 4 months. The exchanging volume comprises an essential job in its cost. The coin is up by 50.82% with the greatest by and large normal cost of the coin was around $0. The base typical value of was around $0 kind of beyond 4 months. We generally give our altogether fundamentally most extreme authentic information for the spell coin which incorporate pretty different elements like past value, market cap, volume, and that's just the beginning, which sort of is genuinely critical. On the off chance that you are looking to explicitly put resources into digital money market, try to peruse our forecasts generally. Spell token value expectation for 2023 as per our conjecture. In 2023 the cost of spell token truly is supposed to in every practical sense reach at a really least value level of $0. The spell cost can arrive at a most extreme worth of $0, the typical exchanging cost of $0, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Spell commonly token value expectation for 2024 according to the gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the cost of spell truly token for the most part is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $0. The spell cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0, the typical exchanging cost of $0. Spell sort of token value figure 2025 to 2026 the cost of spell fundamentally token is by and large anticipated to explicitly reach at a genuinely least degree of $0 2025 in an especially huge manner. The spell sort of token cost can arrive at an especially greatest degree of $0, the typical cost of $0 through 2025. The cost of spell commonly token in every practical sense is anticipated to by and large reach at a truly least degree of $0 2026. The spell kind of symbolic cost can arrive at a genuinely greatest degree of $0, the typical cost of $0 through 2026. Spell value expectation for 2027 spell extremely token cost is estimate to arrive at a sort of the most minimal degree of $0 2027, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. According to our discoveries, the spell cost could arrive at an especially most extreme degree of $0, the typical figure cost of $0 a by and large significant manner. Spell value expectation for 2028 as per our specialized examination on verifiable value information of spell. In 2028, the cost of spell token is estimated to be at around a base worth of $0. The spell pretty symbolic value worth can arrive at a limit of 1 cent with the typical exchanging worth of $0 USD, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Spell kind of symbolic value expectation for 2029. The cost of one certainly spell sort of token is supposed to reach at any rate level of 1 cent in 2029, which is genuinely huge. The spell cost can arrive at an in every way that really matters, most extreme degree of 0.014 with the typical cost of 1 cent all through 2029. The spell cost can for the most part arrive at a greatest value worth of 2 cents with the especially normal worth of 1 cent incredibly. Spell truly token value expectation for 2031. The cost of spell token truly is supposed to reach at the very least worth of 2 cents in 2031, or so they truly thought. The spell token cost could arrive at a really greatest worth of 2 cents with the essentially normal exchanging cost of 2 cents all through 2031 in an unpretentious manner. Spell pretty symbolic value expectation for 2032. For the most part, spell genuinely token cost is gauged to basically arrive at a sort of the least beautiful conceivable degree of 3 cents in 2032 in an unobtrusive manner. According to our discoveries, the spell cost could arrive at a greatest truly conceivable degree of 4 cents with the typical gauge cost of 3 cents. What is the spell kind of symbolic cost today? Today, the cost of sort of spell token is 0.001 with the market cap of 116,781,585.000 in a significant manner. What will really be the spell most noteworthy especially anticipated cost for 2023? The barely the most elevated gauge cost for generally spell is supposed to in a real sense arrive at a truly greatest worth of $0 the finish of 2023. What will be the spell token fundamentally the most elevated anticipated cost for 2024? The most noteworthy gauge cost for basically spell for the most part is supposed to arrive at a greatest worth of $0 the finish of 2024, which is very huge. How high can spell extremely token go in an unpretentious way? The typical cost of in a real sense spell could basically reach to $0 the current year's over, or so they basically thought. In the event that we gauge the 5-year value, it is assessed that the coin will effectively really come to the $0 in a quite enormous manner. How truly much will spell kind of token sort of be somewhat worth in 2030? As far as cost esteem, generally spell has an exceptional potential to reach new ATHs. As a matter of fact, it is gauged that sort of spell token will increment in esteem in an exceptionally significant way. As per numerous specialists and business investigators, spell can raise a ruckus around town all plans and purposes most elevated conceivable cost of 4 cents till 2030. Is all things considered, spell token a genuinely wise venture? The spell commonly token esteem by and large is supposed to basically keep on extending, as lack will in general basically empower cost rise. The kind of long-haul money growth strategies in spell looks really encouraging. As per our gauge, in every way that really matters, spell token will cross the $0 during the for the most part next 2-3 years in an unobtrusive manner. Kindly note, there is high gamble include to any speculation, which is genuinely critical. Simply put resources into what you can explicitly achieve